If you want to connect your Windows computer to a mobile hotspot, step one obviously would be to turn on your mobile hotspot. Now, how you do that depends on what type of phone you have. Every phone will have slightly different menus, but on Android, you would usually go to Settings, and then either under Connections or under Network and Internet, you will find a menu for mobile hotspot. So, locate that menu and turn on your hotspot. If you have an iPhone, you'll simply go to your settings and then look for Personal Hotspot, and then toggle that on so it allows others to join. And of course, your phone needs to be in a close proximity with your computer for the mobile hotspot to work. Then let's hop on our computer next. And on your computer, look for the little Wi-Fi icon on the bottom right corner on your Windows taskbar. Here, you see your Wi-Fi, which you can toggle on and off on the left, and if you click that little arrow, you can manage your connections. It's going to scan for available connections, and I actually see my Samsung Galaxy phone right here, so I'll select that and I will click Connect. If your hotspot is protected with a password, you would type it here. When you're setting up the hotspot on your phone, that is where you can set or check that password. Anyways, I'll click Next, and I am now connected to my phone's hotspot. To disconnect from the hotspot, you would follow the same steps. So, click the Wi-Fi on the bottom here, then click the arrow to manage connections, and disconnect here. And that's how you connect to mobile hotspot on Windows 11. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.